from the heart of Mrshid, the breath is passed on to us. Here in this room together. And then you see the effect of breath being transformed through a living being, a living body, living lungs and a living heart. So that as we sit together here in this room, we have the benefit of breath which has been intensified by a human heart and passed again to us. And we are each doing this to the limit of our capacity and sending the breath on, amplifying it with our heart, passing it through our lungs, circulating it through our bodies, and breathing it out again. I hope you can feel this incredible intensity in your chest. The heart aware of its process, conscious of its work, as a collector and concentrator and radiator of breath. The heart feels so incredibly alive and powerful as it realizes, as we consciously are aware of this process of breath passing through it. And the heart, awakened to its work, is joyfully fulfilling this mission of sending breath on again as we exhale. Now you need to visualize the hearts of those to whom you are connected, that you can pass this breath outward and onward to reach the people that might not otherwise be reached. We each have a great responsibility to bring the message of the heart to those who would otherwise not receive it. And this message is not brought in words alone, but it is brought through breath. By breath we have a vehicle to convey the energy of our hearts. And now let's add a particular wish to this stream of breath that comes through us. Because this is how blessing is conveyed. It's conveyed through the breath. As you receive the breath and then you send the breath, you add to the stream of breath your wish. Your wish for the fulfillment, happiness, peace of all those to whom you're sending your breath. And so this stream of breath is augmented by the wishing, by our wishes for blessing. We place a blessing on the breath. as it continues downstream. And so the blessing is received by everyone who receives the breath. This breath is really spirit. It's the same word in many languages. And this is what people need most, is to receive spirit conveyed through breath into their hearts. And as they receive this spirit, they receive the blessing which has been placed on it, and they receive the message, which is to say the realization that the breath conveys. So when we say, may the message of God spread far and wide, it's not a message just of words. It's a message of breath. And it's a message that contains blessing. A breath that conveys blessing. And so let us join in wishing, in asking that all those that wish for blessing, that wish for spirit in their hearts, could receive this breath that we send out from our hearts. Those in the cities to which Susanna and I are going to be touring, those who are tuned into our work, wherever they are, those that are just learning about it, and those that don't know about it. We're sending out our breath across the whole country. And over the oceans to other countries. This message, which was first delivered by Hazrat Inayat Khan, has now been entrusted to all of us. And it spreads wherever our breath can reach. Amen. So let's stir the bodies and move a little bit. And I would invite you to share your breath audibly through any comment you might like to share with us.